Hello guys, today I'm sharing with you my quick fudgy brownie recipe. In a bowl, add 200 grams of chocolate and half cup or 115 grams of butter. Melt this in the microwave for around a minute, stopping every 20 seconds to stir. Let this reach almost room temperature and add 3/4 cup of light brown sugar. Stir very well. Try to dissolve most of the sugar. Add 3 eggs one by one. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mix. Then add 80 grams of flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, and mix. And add 1 cup of chocolate chips. For a thick brownie, pour the batter in an 8x8 squared pan. Sprinkle more chocolate chips on top. Then bake in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. When you check with a toothpick, it should come out with a few moist crumbs. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe.